But the total cost of what you pay for power, either on prepaid or postpaid, includes many other variable costs, in addition to that price of electricity that we've talked about. So these are the rates that you see here. The energy rate, like we've said, is the actual cost of the power itself. Now, there's other variables like the fuel cost adjustment, foreign exchange adjustment, and inflation, and these are the three that can change from time to time. These others remain pretty much constant, including this VAT, right? Now, these variables are then added to that energy cost that we've talked about to give the total effective cost of electricity per unit.
If you look at the cost of the unit that you pay, it is almost a quarter, but 3/4 of that bill is actually taxes and fuel and a lot of things that actually do not concern the production of the consumption of the power.